Hurdlr Honest Review, watch before using. Hurdlr is a streamlined expense tracking and tax automation app designed for freelancers, independent contractors, small business owners, and anyone managing self-employment income. In this review, I'll break down its key features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's worth your time and money. Hurdlr stands out for its real-time income tracking, automatic mileage logging, and tax estimation tools. It connects seamlessly with your bank accounts, credit cards, and major gig platforms like Uber, Etsy, and Airbnb, giving you a complete picture of your earnings and expenses without manual effort. This app was built with simplicity in mind, which makes it ideal for people who dread bookkeeping or struggle to organize financial records. One of Hurdlr's standout features is its automatic mileage tracker, which uses your phone's GPS to log trips. This is particularly useful if you're a rideshare driver, delivery worker, or anyone who drives for work. It also calculates tax deductions from mileage in real time, so you never miss out on savings. Additionally, the app offers income and expense categorization, helping you quickly distinguish between business and personal transactions. For those who hate tax season stress, Hurdlr's built-in tax estimation tool calculates your quarterly and annual tax obligations, ensuring you stay on top of payments and avoid penalties. It even integrates with major tax software like TurboTax, making tax filing straightforward. Hurdlr is perfect for freelancers and small business owners looking for an affordable, user-friendly app to track their finances. Its interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible even for non-tech-savvy users. The free version offers basic income and expense tracking, but to unlock premium features like automation, tax estimations, and detailed reports, you'll need to subscribe to the paid plan, which is competitively priced. While it's not a full accounting system like QuickBooks, it's a fantastic alternative for individuals with straightforward financial needs. However, it's not without drawbacks. Some users report occasional syncing issues with certain banks, and its invoicing capabilities are basic compared to more robust accounting tools. That said, the app is continually updated and the support team is responsive to inquiries. In summary, Hurdlr is an excellent choice for freelancers and small business owners who want to simplify their financial tracking without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a no-frills, reliable app to manage expenses, mileage, and taxes, Hurdlr is worth considering. Try the free version first to see if it meets your needs before committing to a premium plan.